Should we have a look at this?
What have you got?
This is a bit special. So talking about Meng.
More Meng?
Is something that everyone's been waiting for.
We're Meng to the rafters. Dan should do an unboxing on this.
He should. He should.
Has he?
He has.
That's what I was looking for.
He entered right now.
He has done an unboxing on this, so keep a lookout for a proper in-depth analysis.
That's
other
right.
than somebody that knows and a clown.
Now this is a Apache helicopter.
Apache.
Attack helicopter. And it's in a large 1/35 scale.
Apache, and that's a tribe of Indian, is it?
Well, I guess so.
Native American.
Yeah. So this particular version is the Longbow, which has got the big thinger up there.
No, what?
The big thinger.
The hat.
And so that's a radar system which allows the helicopter to view the battlefield from a very far distance.
Really?
And Dan was saying it can lock onto like 100 different targets and coordinate with a few other Longbow helicopters and then just set targets for each one of them. And then I'll just come up from hiding from behind, say, a mountain, launch off its attack, and then just go back down.
Wouldn't you hear them?
Not from that far away. They're so far away.
Oh.
Yeah. And they just take out the whole battlefield and no one knows what's happened.
Really?
Yeah. So that's the idea behind this. Now, at the time of this announcement, TACOM also created a kit of this, but it hasn't had very good reviews.
Why?
So everyone's been waiting for the Meng version. I don't know why they don't like that one. I don't know the particular reasons. Now, I don't know if we can get this to fit right in here because it is a big, massive box. What's that?
What's that thing on the side?
That's an engine. It's got two engines. The intakes.
Yep.
You got your weapon system pylons.
Looks like little stubby wings.
Yeah, don't they? And then there's your weapons aiming device.
Yep.
It's got multiple sensors on it. You got your cannon here, rockets, and laser guided missiles.
What's that thing?
That's some sort of wind speed measuring device or something. It's got little veins and stuff in it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it moves around. Right. You love that. I know you're waiting all day for stuff like that.
Yeah, your little nuggets.
That's it. Let's see what we can see here.
Your little anime. That's upside down, I reckon. Oh.
No. We've got some CAD images. Let me just get that focused.
Oh.
How good are the CAD images?
Wow.
All right, so that is the top one. Okay, so that's the inside of the cockpit.
Mm-hmm. Wow,
Okay, so you got sidearms there as well.
Are you allowed to fire guns from inside a helicopter?
Well, that's mainly in case of they have to do a crash landing or something. They have to be armed quite quickly.
Okay.
Yeah. So I guess that's why they're quite easy to grab. So you have your gunner in the front, and then you have your pilot in the back. Okay,
and the pilot's in the back.
There's your engines and stuff. And then we have engine detail. So the panel of the engine's opened up.
Jet turbines.
Yep. And you can also do it with the folded blades.
Is that how they transported them?
Well, yeah, they could transport them like this inside the back of one of those gigantic aircraft. Or they would have left them like this. I guess.
Parked up.
Well, that's right. You know, so the blades don't get blown around and stuff. It's all locked into place. Okay, let's have a closer look.
This looks like a beautiful kit.
So again, this is probably going to have a lot of bits. Probably not a million bits, like I said before.
100 million bits.
But there are a lot of parts.
Did Jack A get one of these?
No.
I'm
surprised. But I think he wants one. He doesn't know they're here yet.
He's having a bit of a...
I haven't told him.
He's having a bit of a helicopter moment lately.
Hasn't he? Well, he built that the Cobra. Oh, look at that. Weighted tires.
Oh, you know I will not build a helicopter unless it has weighted tires.
That's right. So there's another one of these for you. It's got your name on it.
Holy heck.
There's
this is a big model. Look at the blades.
Yeah, it's huge.
Look how long the blades are.
Yeah, they're big.
Big
Let's
enough.
get to the fuselage because I really want to see some of the detail there.
It's big enough to radio control it and
A lot
fly
of
it.
framework and stuff here, isn't it? It is a big aircraft. All right, here's a fuselage.
Holy heck. That is massive.
Isn't it?
It's a bit odd how they pieced it together like that, isn't it?
Well, these pontoons are actually separate on the real helicopter. So they do just sit on the sides. And you got the undercarriage that moves in between them. There's a lot of open panels and things. Engines will be sitting here. The cockpit area. Let me see if we
Full
can get through this
cockpit
plastic
detail.
and see some of the surface detail. Look at all those rivets.
It's got lots of rivets for you to count.
I like how they're quite pronounced too. So they're harder to accidentally sand off and also easier for the wash to go around and dry brush.
Why would they sand off?
Because you need to sand the joins here. And quite often, if you're not careful, you accidentally sand off some of the rivets.
There you go. Tips from BJ.
It's beautiful. Look at that. So you got a bit of photo etch. Photo etch in here. You got the canopy mask. And then that's a massive decal sheet with all the stencils. Look at all these.
Bit of photo etch.
That's a lot of stencils to put everywhere.
Stencils, decals.
Well, they call them stencils when they're on the aircraft. They're warning stencils.
Oh.
These are stencils that spray them on. There we go. Beautiful. And then a really big manual under there, but I won't take that out. There's a good chance I'm not going to get this back in again now. Large clear parts.
So is this an all new model for me?
All new. All new. Brand spanking. Fresh go.
And the helicopter, how old is it? Is it still in use?
Yes. Yes. Let's talk to the Australian Army, maybe getting some of these.
Really?
Yeah. They invested in Tigers and stuff, which weren't very good. For a European thing.
Well,
That's
they
not gonna fit, is it?
probably should have got helicopters more than wild felines.
Well, that's right. How did that fit?
No, Mum will be angry.
Well, I think if we push hard enough, it'll be all right. So there you go. So that is a 35th scale
Apache.
longbow.
Do love a bit of Meng.
Look how big the box is. Massive.
And they have lovely box art, don't they?
They do.
They really have. They're really classy kit, the Mengs.
Really good job.
Have they always been this good?